Hey, Dan.
Kick it. One more. Then you kick it, kick it.
No.
Wow, pizza.
Wow, what'd you get? What did you get? You having a hard time getting the paper off? You got a starter pack. No, this is more entertaining. Come on.
It's snowing.
It's snowing outside. Ready for more?
Yes. It's just get this paper off.
Okay. Okay. Kaden, you're gonna move this hurt. This is heavy. No.
That's okay.
Gigi. Just try. Hold on. Over there. Over there.
Kick it, look. Kick it, kick it. Kick it.
Need help?
Yes.
No. Santa said open your own presents. If I open it, I get to keep it. You still want my help? So can I help you now?
Let me kick it then. Let me open it.
Huh? If I open it, I get to keep it. Can I open it?
Yeah,
I can open it?
Zoe, I want to open it.
Make it sounds for KK. It's a basketball. It makes sounds. You gotta work with it though. Hurry.
Look, I got it.
Bác Dì將啲垃圾倒落個袋，個垃圾桶度，然之後攞翻個袋嚟裝得唔得咧？
打先。
而家啊，裝垃圾啊嘛。
Oh wow, Gigi, that's mine. That's mine. Santa said that's mine.
Mine.
No. Don't you see? His name is on it. My name.
Okay. Okay.
好唔好啊？
See, you can't even pick it up. It's mine. If I can pick it up, I get to keep it, okay?
No.
Yeah. What is it? Huh? What do you do with that?
You paint.
And do what else?
And you,
Let's see. I think you got it upside down. But we'll figure it out. Oh, it's an easel. You
Wow,
can
Gigi,
draw. That side is drawing.
邊度掂啊？你都有睇呢啲？
And then you can write and you can paint.
哇！
Wow.
犀利啊！哇！
Mine.
But I could do it. So
反轉佢影啊嘛，
It's mine.
咁樣啊嘛。
KK, that's mine.
哇！咁樣就好咯，咁樣影得啦。啊！哇！Very happy。
So put your paper in the kitchen.
what else is mine?
Right?
No? She answered the phone. He said no. Hold on. There. Put them over there though. Put them by the easel. Go over there by the, over that way. So I'll make sure you get a shot of it. Okay, open. I want everything that you're opening up now, I want that to be mine, okay? That's mine. Santa said he brought it for me.
Wow, chiếc dĩa bài hát bảo bà phụ bạo rồi.
What is that? What do you do with it?
Chị đi dậu là lại cái đi dậu rồi.
What is this?
I don't know. Keep going. KK. No, Kaden.
Yay, yay, yay.
Đi dây bà ngồi dây. Đi dây. Cái lẻ. Cái.
Nut.
Mẹ. Lô.
I think he's dirty.
Đúng rồi, phải đến rồi. Lại cháu. Đi phải lại cháu.
What is it? A CD?
Vì tụ lộ
Hả?
hậu à.
Oh, you got a CD?
A DS. Then where's my DS?
Đã điều của nó.
Santa bring you one?
This is for a DS.
I don't know, maybe Santa didn't bring it. Maybe, what's the other package over there? Was he? Dirty?
Oh no, actually no.
Just gas.
Con thay gì vậy? Cái này đâu.
Kagan said this is too much to open at one time.
Con cháu kia chắc là điều con thay.
Gigi says it's not enough to open at one time, huh? You get it? Just rip it.
Wow.
You ain't gotta be all pretty with paper. It's going in the garbage anyway. It's trash. What is it? What is it? What'd you get?
DS.
No. It's not a DS, honey. That's a starter kit. He didn't bring you the DS to go with it? Oh no.
Santa forgot.
Santa forgot the DS. He brought her the starter kit, the DS dollhouse, and the DS little pet shop game, but he didn't bring no DS. And there's no more for Gigi under the tree? Oh no. What are you gonna tell Santa? What are you gonna do?
Wow.
You don't have no DS to play it with. Now what do we do?
Wow. Đi xin mẹ là.
How much money you got in your piggy bank? You think you got $180? I don't think so.
Okay.
I think you got more like maybe $20. Now what are you gonna do?
À, Kiki.
Well, see, he brought you that so you can stare at it every day, and then maybe next year, hopefully, he brings the DS to go with it next year. That way, you can pick this up till next year. That was Santa's idea. Yeah. He wants you to wish about it every day. Say, oh, I'm gonna listen for good now because I want to make sure I get the DS next year.
Listen, Daddy, Mommy, be good.
You know what? I bet you that's why he forgot to put that under the tree. You think so? You think that's why Santa forgot it? Really? Oh. Man. So yeah, he said just stare at it every day, and then next year he'll bring you the DS. That's just the case. See? That's just a starter kit. No DS to go with it. What are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do? Now what?
You got 1 year to do it. You think you can listen every day for 1 year? No.
Are you listening, Didi?
See, you're still not listening. That's why I said I didn't bring the DS. I asked you a question. Are you gonna be able to listen every day for 1 year? You think so?